You need to understand one thing most traders ignore: the market does not move randomly. It moves from liquidity to liquidity. And your job is simple. Find the exact zone where price is likely to react before the move happens. What is a high probability POI? Point of interest, or POI, is a zone where big institutions may enter the market. But here's the truth. Not every order block is valid. Not every fair value gap is tradable. So how do we know the difference? On the higher time frame, like 4H or daily, you only focus on a thing, the last candle before a strong impulsive move. That is your order block. But there's a condition. It must break structure strongly. It must create displacement. And it must leave imbalance behind. A fair value gap is simply an imbalance in price. It happens when price moves too fast and leaves empty space behind. That space becomes a magnet for price later. Now listen carefully. Not all zones are equal. The biggest mistake traders make is this. They mark every candle as an order block and wonder why they keep losing. Final simplified rule. So let me simplify it. If price left fast equals important zone. If price broke structure equals valid order block. If imbalance exists equals high probability entry area. That's your POI. If you want more trading tips, subscribe, like and share this video.